This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so today we are going to discussing release procedure. Why release procedure means yesterday we done the pricing procedure. Then will be today release procedure. Like pricing and releasing, it will be next step too easy to understand and concept and all. So next class tomorrow will definitely will finish that with special procurements. Okay, this release procedure means say we creating PR, we creating purchase order for further process. So we need internally manager has to approve. How he will be approved based on his approval limit. It will go to the different managers. So we have to do the set of configurations. When we do the release procedure, the combinations, even yesterday we done the pricing procedure combination, company code, plan to storage, sorry, plan to and purchase organization, vendor, materials, we seen these combinations. So here also the release procedure also we will have a combination also configurations. So what are the configurations, how we will do these configurations, we will see. Okay, so generally release procedure we will say, or release strategies we will say. So how we will do the configurations, this also see. Release procedure strategy, same thing. So defines our approval process, purchase requisition or external purchase documents. If we're sending for outside the organizations, the managers has to approve that the document or PR or PO. PR is the internal document, even though the PR after approvals only will start purchasing. So that is the activities. So the same thing, purchase requisition or external documents. So PO we need to be sending to the vendor for the after managers or approvals. This again the release strategy specify the release code necessary to and sequence which release have to affect. The release code means it is in approvals managers. How many levels, so we will do the procedure also. Like a release code means it's managers who are approving. That anyway we'll see in practical. Then you will understand what is release code means. Okay. So whether it's a PR or purchase order, both maximum 8 levels we can release one document. Interview also they will ask. So purchase document, how many levels we can do the configurations, how many levels we can do the release procedure. So maximum 8 levels are last. That means one PR or one PO. Maximum 8 managers can approve. Let's say example one PO value it is in 30 lakhs is there. Examples. So 30 lakhs is my manager's purchase manager have only 5 lakhs. Next cost center manager who are approving the person he have 10 lakhs. So now the value is a 30 lakhs is there. So then we need to take his super manager's approvals, senior manager or head of the department. So like that we have to do the configurations. That is you can define maximum 8 release code. That means it's your persons who are approving 8 levels we can be do the release. Okay, next important means after release managers we cannot change anything. Before approving we can do some modifications, ME22 or ME52 in anything like values or quantities or increase or decrease, we can do that. But once manager approved, then within his approval limit if you can do any changes. Let's say examples, if it is in we got 5 lakhs approvals, so we are planning after approvals managers 5 lakhs instead of we are going with only 4 lakhs, then that there is no any problem for that. When you do some changes like 5 lakhs we got approvals, now we are planning to change that 5 to 6 lakhs, it will be happen. Then the 5 lakhs it not, it is in whatever we got approvals, that is not possible. Then we have to do additional for 1 lakh for that, or we have to freshly create the document. See, important, that means it is once purchase document cannot be changed after it is approved by managers. That will be just remember. Okay, next release procedure with two levels are there, two types also we can say, with the classification, without classifications. Okay, with the classifications means we can do release configurations 2 levels. This will be possible only PR with classifications. So PR is a internal document we can do where we wanted, whether item level or header level do the configurations. Means it is manager's approvals. Okay, sorry, this will be even the both, it will be PR, and so we will use this PO or PR, both we can use this one. So with classifications we can do the documents levels, header level and item level, but without classification item levels only possible. Okay, that means header level it's not possible, but purchase order it possible only header level because it's a external document. PR is a internal document. We can do configuration whether it is a item level, whether it is in header level, because internal document we have a control we can within our organization will be using, but PO is not like the PO is external document. Release is possible only header level. Interview also they will ask, so what is the difference between in PR and PO? So if they will ask, we can say PR is internal document, PO is external document, first point. The second point, PR we can release both the levels, whether it's item level or header level, because it's an internal document. But PO is an external document, it is possible only header level, the doing configurations. That we should be remember that with classification, without class, with two options like header and item, but without classification only item level it possible. Okay, so next release procedure, the combination. So like PR we seen company code, the combination we taken and we done the configuration. So here also for release procedures means combination, see company code, plant. So this is one combinations. Next PO document type, net order value. This is one combinations. Combination means at least we should take two characters, whether one company code and plant. Company code is one character, plant is one characters. That means two characters we take. Then PO document type. NB is a standard document type. So we don't want to
Sudarshan,
be.
sorry to
Yeah,
interrupt.
yeah. Tell me, Priya. No problem.
Yeah, could you please repeat that PO and PR where it is applicable, like header and item?
Yes. See, where will be applicable where header and item level. PR is a internal document. We can do configurations where they wanted client. We will see practically, then you will understand. So PR we can do configuration item level or header level. Two levels it possible because internal document. PO is an external document. Release is possible only header level. We have to do some configurations. Then I will show you in systems after configuration setups once we create purchase order. So where we will managers will approve the document and all. Let's say examples in case if PR ME51N. So we can do configurations whether it's a item level, here item level or a header level. In case if header level means, so we will do after configurations here test is there, so we will get here release strategy one additional tab. Then managers will come back and here they will PR release ME54N with the T code. They will do the configuration. I mean they will release approvals. In case purchase order, same these steps only. I mean once we do the configurations, then you will understand. So where we'll get tab and all managers. So here it is there, right? Header. So here we will get additionals, release strategies. This PO only header level is possible. This is in external document. That's it. Because of that external document, PO it possible only release is header level. But PR is the internal document. We can do both the levels. So we have to give these details, then only will be the tabs will be open here. We'll see. So here will come tab release strategies. In case item level, it will come. We have to do setup, that is where if the client is asking to us to do the configuration, whether it's item level or header level. So header level here will come, item level will come here. So based on our configuration, accordingly the tabs will be appearing here. We'll see configuration, then you will understand. Okay. So this
Sure. Thank you so much.
okay, thanks. So this is the combinations. So company code, plant, this one combination, PO document type and net order value. That means PO value. Most of the industries are they will go for this is the combination of majority cases. I mean company code. I mean this PO document type and net order value. In case if you select company code and plant, okay, here there is no any characters, there is no any value of the PO value. If 10,000 value, 10 lakhs value, how many peoples are we will be adding for approvals? All managers are getting approvals, because here there is no any purchase order value. If you defining order value based on approvals mails, I mean based on approvals limit, the managers they will get mail, they will approve that. That is here key combinations here, PO document type and net order value. Okay, next purchase organization, purchase group. So this is also same thing, the combinations. If you do these combinations, so PO value if it is 10 lakhs to or 10,000, 4 people are there for approving. 4 people will get mail approvals for 10,000 also. So we don't want to write 10,000 for 4 managers are approving. So that is here. When you go for completely characters values, this is order value is there, currency is there. Based on currencies, so managers they will get values for approvals. We'll see that is we will come to know. Okay, so PO release T code is a ME29, PR release is a ME54N. Okay, so that is we will see same configurations here. I mean okay, so this is only one step, it is the difference is to change that. Anyway, we'll see that is okay. So first we'll see the PO how to release. Okay, once we PO is creating by from us, so how we will manage are getting approvals, so we have to do the combinations. Okay, so first we have to create characteristics, edit characteristics. That means what are the combinations we are taking, like company code, plant. These two characters we have to create. Company code one character. Which company code? D123, that is one character. Plant D1 P1, that is one plant, that is one character. That means two characters. So here also company document type and net order value. So this will combinations we'll see how it will be doing configurations. For that is edit characteristics. Okay, T code is a CT04. Okay, we'll see how to do the first to creating this document type. If we take in combinations, we should have a standard document type. Instead of that, we should create our own document type. First we'll see how to create one document type, then we'll go for these combinations, document type and plus net order value. Okay, so for now we'll see SPRO. Materials management, purchasing, purchase order. Okay, here document type is there, so we can create our own document type instead of NB. So NB is a standard document type, so we don't want to use that standard document. Then we'll go to position. Okay, so NB. Okay, select document type. Okay, go to copy as. Okay, let's say examples. Okay, D456. Okay, so D456 standard payable. Okay, enter, copy all, continue, save. If you go for combination document type and net order value, when I will do combination this document type, then only release procedure will be applicable. If I will use the NB standard document type, then it will not come, because I taken combination here. Document type is D456. That is, we customized one document type. So NB is here is a standard. If I will do take the combination NB who are creating purchase orders, in case it's not related to my company code also, NB who are using the document type, all people will get release procedure. It is in release strategies. Then they should release the purchase order of that. Okay, so now we created one document type. I will go back. Okay, see, release procedure for purchase orders. The same thing, navigation path, SPRO, materials management, purchasing, under purchasing, purchase order, under purchase order. So this is release procedure for purchase order. Just click here. See here, edit characteristics, edit classes, define release procedure of purchase order. This is 3 steps are there. Okay, first we should click here, edit characteristics. Okay, this is CT04T code. So here we can do combination like descriptions like maybe D123 PO release. Okay, description you can do whatever you wanted. Okay, then enter. When you enter, system is asking, do you want to create characteristics? Okay, yes, you can give, or you give this description also. You can click here, creation of. Instead of you give enter, you can click here. This is display, this is changes. After you creating anything, if you want to change, to click here, yes. When you say yes, then only these fields will be open. Otherwise only tabs will be there, you cannot see any data. Okay, so description here. So this is same, you can enter here document type or something, or whatever you wanted you can give. I'm just giving same. The format here it is there. So what is here, we are taking format to, this is document type is a character format, it's not currency, right? That is the combinations it is asking system. Format data type, we have a character is there, currency is the date, current date format is the numeric format too. So this will be taking some other functional streams, but here we are taking character format. Character means NB is a document type, so that is characters. If you select here, system is asking what is the characters length. So any PR or PO or document types characters length standard is 4. So how we will know this and all? So ABAP also they will do programming. So this will come to know. So we just, I will log in another screen. SC11. Okay. This is one dictionary, ABAP dictionary. So I will open another screen. Okay, so here we have 3 types of their header level, item overview, CEKKO. Okay, so data, this has a PO1 table. The table name is CEKKO. Under that CEKKO table, this is vendor field is different. Okay, materials field is different. Table under that. So here also system is asking database table. That means PO table. So PO table we should say CEKKO. Under that table, this is fields. Materials one field, shortest one field, PO quantity as a one field. Okay, we should give that to CEKKO for the table name here. This and all ABAPers technical teams are using these names. So we will by heart some. I will tell you what are the importance and all. Okay, table's name is CEKKO. Just go to display. Okay, so you can use this SE11 also for by hearting also. See, this is general as a functional teams are calling like company code. That means, but technical teams they will use these words. So functional teams will be calling company code, but in they will not say company code. They will use bugs BUKRS. That means company code in technical language. So the same thing. See here, pivot document type it is there. That is order type it is there. BSART. That is means here this field names. This is table CEKKO. Under that NB standard document type. This is BSART field name. Okay, that we should enter here. See what is the characters length? 4 is there. If currency is there, 15 characters. So that is standard characters length set by Abapus codings. Okay, so now it is in standard. It is characters length is 4 characters are there. The same thing I entered here 4. So how we will know this and all? So the ABAPers, when we doing the consultant people at the implementation times, this is standards. Even though they're not creating, this is as per the 1000 company code. The standard to the data copied and the characters length and all. Okay, under that basic data, so we should select here format data type character and give the characters length. Your value assignment we should select multiples values. That means we are giving external information. The system should accept that multiple values. After that, okay, once you select value assignment, go to additional data. Then it will come after basic data. Go to additional data. You just click here. The same table and field it is. Table is PO means CEKKO. Okay, field name. That means we are taking combinations here. Field name this is BSART. That we should enter here. SART. If I will take this combination, if I enter, system will give the information, the format data taken from ABAP dictionary. Continue. Okay. Now see the basic data. This characters value it is changed order type because we selected field name here. The description automatically will come here. Next go to values here. So values here, what is our document type? So what we created PO document type, that should be enter here D456 because we are taken here document type. So what is document type? We should enter here. When you take this document type creating purchase order, then release procedure is applicable. Here we should enter descriptions. So like you can enter standard PO document type for D456 something. Okay, enter and save. This is one characters. Now we taken one combinations here. See, PO document type is done. Now we have to take net order value. That is we are second combinations. Same. So now D123 PO release. So we should give another name. Same name is not possible. Just give here another name. Okay. Create, or you can click also here. 2 characters we should be create. Same thing here. Just you give anything, so it will be changed after that. See now data format I am taking currencies because net order value, right? Order value it should be currency format. If I will select here, see characters it is in 15 length is their standard, so less than 15. So currency INR 3 characters, but based on here, see GNETW it is there for net order value. See GNETW, that is total net order value. This currency see 15 characters are there. The length set, that is SAPs. We should select this one. So works WERKS material group MATKL. So this and all we should by heart in this SE11. I will tell you almost all 15-20 are there. So we should by heart. This is PO. The same thing PR is there. Under that also, but some of the fields are repeated because field even the plant will be maintaining PR and PO. Then plant is one field only. We should remember. Like the some of the different field names are there. We should by heart that. I will tell you that what and all we should by heart that. Okay. So GNETW means net order value. Okay. Now, okay. See here, once you select currencies, multiple plus select here intervals values allowed. Intervals means it should whatever I am giving values, PO value, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs or 10 lakhs, that should be system has to accept that. So that is reasons intervals values allowed. We should select here. When you go for character format, we should select to only multiple. You cannot see these values also, intervals values, and when you selected currency only, it will be reflected here. So here we should select intervals, and negative values no need to be selected. Negative values means it is an inbuilt, no need to give any values and all, you can ignore. But intervals means we should give the values. That is okay. Go to additional, same again. Table is PO table, CEKKO. Here field name is GNETW. Okay, then go to, when you press enter, the system is asking format taken above dictionary. Then here we should give the values. That means what is the PO value? See here, we should give the values. So PO values here, when you entering values, okay, just give 1 rupee. First examples, PO will start with 1 rupee. Okay, amount space hyphen space. So this is they done the programming coding program. So accordingly we should go with that same format only. Amount to space hyphen, then we can give 40,000. That's examples. Just I will give you only small amounts only, 40,000. Then second person, 40,000 1 rupee. Amount space hyphen space 80,000. Then third person, 80,000 1 rupee. Amount space hyphen space, okay, so 1,50,000. Then fourth person, 1,50,000 1 lakh to 5 lakhs. So that means you say 4 peoples will be releasing any POs. So less than 5 lakhs. So now based on approvals, like less than PO 40,000 is there, only one person will get mailed. If more than 40 to 80 less than, 2 people will get mailed. But again, the IT teams are, they will link to our mail IDs, managers mail IDs and all will be connecting that. I mean, doing the interconnections with the SAPs to the Outlook mail IDs and all. So when we tick any book ticket and all online something, so we will be giving our mail IDs. Then automatically mail comes to our mail ID. So here also when we doing these configurations, release code or something, it is then automatically link to the our mail IDs. So it will come there. So now I'm giving just to 4 values. So up maximum 8 levels we can give here. Now 4 people are there. You can give whatever you wanted. So like 5 lakhs, now 5 lakhs to 8 lakhs, so then 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs, so 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs, so 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs. So with 20 lakhs for 8 people plus we approving. So now I'm just taking only 4 people for 5 lakhs. Okay, then enter. Then automatically the currencies format it will come, because we already selected here basic data under currency INR. In case euro dollars is there, we should select accordingly here. Like currency, same thing. When you're selecting dollars, the dollars only should give this, but currency length is 15 characters only. Okay, then we can save. Now we created two characteristics. What is two characteristics? One characteristics, it is in pivot document type. Second character is a net order value. So net order value we given 5 lakhs 1 rupee to. So less than 5 lakhs. So different managers based on his approval. So automatically they will get mails. And that we'll see how we will be assigning what persons these 5 lakhs on that we see. Okay, next after edit characteristics we created. Next second step is edit class. Edit class decode CL01, CL02, CL03. Okay, now we'll same navigation path only. Just go back here. Here edit class is there. So edit characteristics, edit class, just double click. Okay, so when we log in here, the change it will be there CL02, no problem. Then you can click here, automatically will be create. Okay, so D123, I will create class or D123 PO class. You can give any one things, but very important here, class type. So interest they will ask. So what is the release procedure class type? Class type is 032 is the class type. That means it's a release strategy configurations. This is for identification. Release 32 means. Release strategies. In case batch management it is there, that is 0 to 3. Anyway, we'll see that is going. So release procedure 032. Without that you cannot go for further also, it's mandatory. And release type means it is 032 means it is in release strategy. Then you can click here, create. Okay, description you can give here whatever D123 PO class. Okay, no need to be fill any other informations. Next go to here characteristics, keywords characteristics. So what we created their characteristics we need to be assigned here. So I created D123 PO release first. In case if you don't remember also, you can click here, you will get list of characteristics. So we can select that. Okay, see here. So group is there, type is there, table name, class is there. Okay, maybe character in case if you forgot that also. Okay, just give here star. So you will get complete list of characteristics here. So what I created D123 release procedure. Okay. You can go to here D1. Why it's not coming? Okay, it is not going, should come, no problem. So this is we create D123, then D123 PO release 1. If you enter, what is that? Hmm. What name I created there? CT04. Same thing, right? I created. CTN0. Okay, so this is why it is not, maybe how you write it, they should give the same characters. So maybe anything, some mistakes, some spelling mistakes, that is the reason. Okay, so under this edit classes, so we basic data, after that you just here characters, it is there. So what we created CT04, we should enter here, that's it. So we just assigning here class to this whatever we created characteristics. So here net order value, so currency is format 15 characters, and document type we selected, that is character is 4 characters length. Okay, then save. Okay, so after that we are going to see. Yes, PRO. Okay, materials management, purchasing, under purchasing, purchase order, under purchase order, release procedure for purchase order. Okay, define release procedure for purchase orders. Just double click. Okay, so release group, release code, release indicator, release status. This is 4 steps are there. So release group means, release group is a characters length is 2 characters. Okay, release group means who are approving one purchase orders, those people will come under as a release group. That means now I created 4 people for the approvals. So 4 people's 5 lakhs it is there. So who are approvals? Complete 8 members. If there 8 members should be, we should be maintained here release group under that. But accordingly they will get mails. So okay, so here the release group is 2 characters length. So who are approving managers for purchase order or purchase requisition, all people or those people will come under as a release group. Just double click. Okay, and go to new entries. Okay, here release group only 2 characters, whatever you wanted. Let's examples I will give the double D. Okay, class. So what we created, edit classes, characteristics 2 we created, and edit class we created. So D123 PO class. This is I created. Okay, enter and save. This is release object 2 means it characters length is 2 only. Then save. This is about to release a code. Sorry, groups. Okay, now we'll come back. Release codes are there, just double click. Okay, go to new entries. Okay, group should be repeat what we created earlier step, double T. Okay, here code means we should give whether it is an employee ID number in real times we will give, or maybe so here we should give the code also like 2 characters length. For release configuration only they will create different names IDs in this in maybe sometimes some companies they will not go for employee IDs and all, so they will create managers for approvals only different code for the managers. That code they'll be maintaining here. Let's example see D1 first. Okay, so descriptions I should give here. So D1 means it's a purchase manager first. Like now we given 4 values for the purchase orders, so up to 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs first person is purchase manager, then group should be same. Next to D2, then the person D2 means it is in okay senior purchase senior purchase manager. Okay, then double D, another person, D3. Okay, head of the department, I'm saying that, or maybe car center manager. Okay, then D4. Okay, head of the department, because I taken 4 people's, their values I given. So manager is 40,000, senior manager is 40,000 to 80,000. So CC manager means cost center manager 80,000 to 1 lakh, and head of the department he will be responsible for 1,51,000 to 5 lakhs. So these values also we need to be assigned to next step. Anyway, okay, this you can give here. In case of 8 members are there, we should give group same, codes different, the person's names or managers, their designations are respect to the cost center manager, super manager or plant maintenance. So who are there, the designations we can enter here and save. Okay, now okay, now we'll go back. Release indicators. So release indicators are 2 types. Okay, R is a blocked, sorry, R is a released, B is a blocked. The indicator showing that. See, release indicators is status for just nothing, new entries are there. Still we didn't done any configuration, no problem. So R, okay. So descriptions you can make it release. Okay, B blocked. Okay, so this is 2 indicators. R is released, B is a blocked. So when it will show R, when it will show blocked, we will see next to this. Okay, save. I think it is in, I think it should be there in default, this configurations by released and everything it is, but somebody is there removed or I don't know, but standard should be there. This is when you go for release indicators, no need to be create this one. But okay, next release strategies. Okay, double click. Okay, go to new entries. See here, release codes means 8 levels. Maximum any PR or PO, 8 levels we can do release. That is here. 8 levels are there. That's it. We cannot give more than here. So release group, what we created, double D. Release strategies, you can give same name, whatever you wanted here. D1 to 3, PO release. I'm giving one descriptions, anything. Okay, release codes. That means release codes we created D1, D2, D3, D4. If we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we should enter here. Enter these columns and just give enter, then automatically the description will come here. After that, this very important, this release prerequisites and release status, classification, release simulations. First we will see the release prerequisites. Just double click. When you click here, okay, see the indicators are there here, whether you go this way or this way also. Now all are blank is there, checkbox. Okay, if you continue like this, whenever I create purchase order, okay, so now value is a based on should get managers. If I will not tick here, if continue like this, if it is in 30,000 value or 5 lakhs value also, first you will get mail, then you will get, there is no any continuously, anybody can get mail without if you tick here indicators. That means the first here, why it's D1 it's not there means is a purchase managers. even the all the purchasers, he has to approve the first person. So that is the reason there is no any indicator for him here. Checkbox whether value 1 rupee, 1 lakh, or 10 lakhs, or 50 lakhs. The first person is purchase managers. That is the reasons no indicator for him. So here D2. So D2 approving before, that means D1 should approve, then he will approve. Otherwise, without D1 approvals, he will not approve the purchase order or purchase requisition. Even he will not get mail also. Once first person is approved, then only it will go to the second person. First person is approvals are pending, then second person he will not get any mail until the first person is a purchase manager has to approve that. Next D3 will approve. Before he will approve, he will check in systems whether D1, D2 whether it's approved or not. After that only he will approve. The same thing, the final person before approving, he will check D1, D2, D3. That means 3 persons should be approved. Then only he will approve. That is indicators. If you are not set these indicators, whenever I create purchase order, if I will save, all managers will get mails. But who will get first mail, we don't know. That is system automatically it will be say the zigzag. So one person will get there is no any systematic, and there is no based on values also. So we'll see that is so what is the D2 value, what is the D3 value, what is D4 values, and all next it will show you. Okay, so we should give here, like we should take whether you can go here or whether you will go select here, no problem. Okay, continue. So interview also they will ask in case release pre-requisitions, they will ask this question like this. So when I submitted purchase order, so PO value is a less than my manager value. Like my manager has 1 lakh, but it will went to 3 lakhs values managers. Why? It's a PO value is 80,000, but my manager has to he have within the limit, but another person is super manager is getting mail for approvals. Then where we done the mistake configurations in this step only. If you are not tick these check boxes, that case will be happen. The first person, if I will create purchase order within his approval limit also, but second person is getting mail because of these indicators if you not set. Okay, this very important. If you trying also practice time, you try this without indicators, what will happen? Maybe because here we will not get seen that mails and all how it will be configurational, but real time scenarios I am saying that if you will not check this one, so managers not getting proper mails. Like first he will not get, then D3 first he will get, then D2 will get, then D4, then D1. Any one person within 4 people will get mail. So we just give these indicators, then continue. Okay, next to release status, just click here. Okay, see here first when we first D1 is approved, status is blocked. D1 and D2 still is blocked. D1, D2, D3, 3 are approved, still it is blocked. So when the 4 people are approved, it should come here or is released. It should come automatically, no problem. Okay. Now if we see this one. So okay, so this is release indicators, means when the first person is approved, status is blocked. Then until 4 people are approved, then only status is released. Okay, continue. Okay, go to classification. Okay, see net order value. So net order value what we selected. Oh, this is Ulta is coming. Okay. Okay, we'll try this one. Maybe one error will get or not. I don't know. Let me see. Okay. So actually document type should come here. Net order value come should here. We'll see what will happen in case up and down share. Okay. So that means D1, this D2, D3, D4. Because 4 people we are created. I mean orders. So this is D1 is 40, D2 is 80, D3 is 1,50,000, D4 is a 5 lakhs. So how we are maintaining values, how we create a release codes levels of the first person, this is the value, second person, this is the value, that will be linking here. Just continue. Okay, here net order document type. So what we created, D456 we created. See here, where it is coming data means we edit classes at the time we created under the characteristics we are maintained. So that is the reasons it is coming here. Okay, then here, so here we don't have, I mean, save this one, go back, or here next screen is there, you can click here. Okay, next to release simulations. Okay, see here, release to date, here release approvals are nothing, it is there. When I continue and save, I will come back and release simulations. I will come and show you here D1, D2, D3, D3. So 4 people will get here. That means release strategies or configuration is end here. Okay, continue, save. Okay, go to simulation again. It is not coming. Okay, maybe I told you some get here. We'll see. Okay, and just D1 is already affected. Then D2 is already affected. That means the persons are its configuration. We are affected everything. It is once 4 people are approved, status is released. Okay, continue. Okay, now we'll see one purchase order with this 5 lakhs less than all people are getting or not. We'll see. Okay, now we'll go to purchase order. Okay, ME21N. Okay, here we should select what we created document type, then only it will come. See 456 we created document type, we should select this one. Then existing any vendor, no problem, our databases who are there we can create. Let's example D1 to 3 one vendor. So purchase organizations D1 to 3 group. Okay, let's say examples Dell laptop. Okay, 20, we'll see 25th 10. Okay, 20 into 20, 4 lakhs will come. Okay, currency INR, and plan to D1 P1. Okay, go to conditions here. Okay, now 4 lakhs it is there. So what is the values we done the configurations here, release classification. See 5 lakhs it is there. So now 4 people has to approve that purchase order. Okay, now see this. Okay, save. Okay, P1 number is 18447. Okay, now without POs also, if try to goods receipt for this purchase order. Okay, 18447, right? So now we'll go to Migo in case. So we'll come to one error also. So PO is not yet released. In case if try to do the goods receipt. Click purchase order document not yet released. Once you do the release, then you can able to do the goods receipt. Without release, we cannot do the goods receipt. Okay, for release for PO ME29N. Okay, this is PR release. We'll see tomorrow how to this PR release also. Both the levels, item level and header level, where we need to be set that indicators. If we want to item level, how, whether I want to header level, where we small indicate one checkbox it is there. That's it. Differences. And we will see. Okay, PO release ME29N. Okay, now we will go to ME29N. Same screens only, you will get no changes anything. See here only this header level name will be different. Okay, go to other purchase order. Okay, 447 or what? I forgot that name. Okay, okay, enter. Okay, see here header level, you will get here release strategies. See here. Normally we will not see this when you do the configurations with this combination of document type, or whether it's a net order value, whether it is a company code, even the organization data also. So whether company code and plant, we can do this combination also. Then if we purchase organization and plant, we can do one combinations. Any one these combinations, two characteristics is mandatory, and whatever you wanted, whether document type net order value or company code and net order value, you can say, or document purchase organization plan, or document type and company code. This with this combination also, how you wanted, we can do configuration. See release strategies. You click here, the 4 persons will come here. See serials. In case when you trying in this step, okay, so here if you not tick here examples, these indicators, you continue like this. When you come back and see here, so D1 will come down, D4 will come here, there only it will come. So D1 first, D1 should be there first, but D3 there here, or we don't know which levels will come here. I'm saying you when you practice time, you try and let me know. If you not tick that, so D4 will come first, then D3 or D1 or D2. So like how there isn't any continuously. Okay, now in real times, the managers, this is the process they will get. In case I am D1, okay, I will ME29 login, I will click here, release. And now status it is in, when I click here, one tick will come here. Okay, now I will save. So I am only purchase managers. I will tick here, I will save. Then when I submit this one, the second senior manager, I mean super purchase manager, he will get mail Outlook with this reference PO number waiting for approvals. So this is again the technical teams, IT peoples, they will do the setup like through how the Outlook mail ID tool linking this one. Okay, then second person will come here. They will log in with same T code ME29N. They will select and he will approve. Then third person. See now here still it is their indicators are blocked till these three people. When the fourth person is approved, then automatically here release indicator is released because status has been, because still approvals are pending. So that is the reason here the release indicator is blocked. Now see now its status is released because based on approvals managers are approved. Now if we'll save, once managers are approved, then we will take the photocopy and we'll scan and sending to the managers, I mean vendors. So before we sending, some companies what they will do for controlling purpose, so even the managers are approved here, the finance manager also approved, but they will take the printout before we sending, they will counter signature, they will verify that again, some controlling purpose finance teams. Before any sending purchase order to the vendor, they will anywhere in the document down or somewhere they will sign and they will give one signature, yes, this is we agreed, this is we are just controlling purpose they will maintain. Some companies once approved by systems internally, then we will go to print preview, take the photocopy, we'll scan and sending to the vendors. So this is release procedure configurations. This is PO, it will come here release strategies. When you do the PR, the client will say, so I don't want to release strategy in header level. Can you do item levels? Yes, we should do that. Configuration should come here. We can do header levels. PR is possible both the levels, but PO is possible only header level because this is a external document. Okay, this point we should remember that. Okay, next now we'll see the goods receipt MIGO. Now it possible. PO number. Now it will come. Okay, it will take time immediately. You just log off and log in, then it will come. Sometimes whenever you facing these problems. Okay. System taking to updating the different tables when we do this one. We released it, still it is not yet updated in tables. So that is the reasons we got this one. You can after some times you can try, it will be working. Okay, so this is procedure configurations. We'll see PR how we will do configuration. So that is the reasons when we discuss purchase order.
Sudhakar, we cannot able to hear your voice. Hello.
For where the changes PR, where the changes in PO, same steps like there also create characteristics. Yes, tell me, Sridhar.
Your voice is breaking. Before we didn't hear your voice. Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you, but before you were telling anything we didn't hear.
Yeah. I think okay. Network it's where is there. Okay. Now that's when we discussing PR and go to easy to release procedure.
Sudhakar, we completely lost your voice.
Any other doubt is there? Tell me before we close this section.
Sudhakar, I have one doubt.
Yeah, ask me, Sridhar.
Suppose if you are creating a purchase order 1 to 100, like 1 to 100 net price, okay, it will require only D1 release procedure, right? D1 release.
1 to 100 means it's 100 rupees, huh?
Yeah. Only 100 rupees. It
Yeah.
will require only one approval, right?
Okay, then I will try that is also. It will be reflected only one person. I will show you. So document type we should be select that. Okay, the same. I will go D1 to 3 purchase. Okay, same. I will take one pieces. 40,000 for one managers, not okay. Okay, now I will see 25th. So I'm giving 20,000. Okay, save. Okay, 448. Then I will go to ME 29N. See here. No, it is not happening. But it should not be happen like this. Only one person has to get that mail. Today only I am facing these issues, because when we even the last classes also, if I had done this one values for less than his values, you should, I can get here list here because this is the codes, but you don't have options to approve here. See, if you get this indicators, it should show like this only. It should be cannot show this. Once we approve here for the D1, so we can able to see the list of managers. But this is the people are under group for this document type. But he will not get mail because within his limit only, so the PO value is there. So we can see the names list, but you don't have options to, once you select release here, we didn't see any indicators also here. See, here it is showing. I will try tomorrow PR. I think it's not be repeated. So these are some demo systems, but it will not be repeated here. Sometimes when you practice times also different, maybe you different servers you're using, you can try there. So it will show only D1. It will not see in some systems D1 to 3 also, because that is this is demo systems. It will happen, but actually it will not show that is, because within his limit it show here the names list also. Because okay, you try and maybe your servers is different servers, so you will get that.
Okay, Susagar, I will try and let you.
Yeah, you try and let me know. Tomorrow we'll discuss.
Yeah, thanks, Susagar.
Okay, welcome.